Jasmine Finixty, and this is my arc length project. So on top of swim training, swimmers also normally do a dryland workout. So this is one of my favorite runs that my coach had us do. So it would start right here around the entrance of the swimming pool, loop around the town, through this small shopping mall, and then back to the entrance of the swimming pool. So I wanted to find out how many laps of this trail would equal a regular 2-hour swim practice, which could reach around 4,000 yards. So first, I measured the straight segments of the trail using the measure and distance tool in Google Maps. So these are the first 5 segments of the trail, and these are the next 4. So lastly, I had to find the length of this curved street. So I used quadratic regression to plug in points that I found using the measure and distance tool in order to find a formula. So I used a quadratic regression program and plugged in these 3 data points to get this formula here. To find the arc length, you also need to find the derivative of this formula. So I plugged that derivative into this arc length formula to find out that the curve had a length of around 407 feet. So then I added up all of the segments from before, these right here, and these. And I add them all together in addition to the length of the curve to find the total distance of the trail. So the total distance of the trail was around 5,148 feet, which is a little under a mile. So this amount of 5,000 feet converts to around 1,716 yards. So in order to find out how many laps of this trail would equal 1 swim practice, it would equal around 2.3 laps after you divide the total amount of yardage by the amount of yards that the trail is. So like I said here, around 2 to 2.5 laps. And since the yardage of a swim workout can vary, this range is actually a little bit better to tell instead of this number right here. Thank you.